In this video, I'll be covering how to multiply a polynomial. So we first look at a very simple example. We have 4 times bracket 3 plus 2. We have two ways of doing this. We can 1, simplify what's inside the bracket, or 2, we multiply out both numbers from outside the bracket. So that will look like 4 times 3 plus 4 times 2. So now if we try out with x involved, so we have 4x and x plus 2 inside the bracket. We spread the 4x to x and 2. So that will look like 4x squared plus 8x. And that's as simple as you can go. Now let's try again. So we have 2x squared this time from the outside. We spread it to 4x and negative 2x squared. So that will look like 8x squared plus 2x to the power 3 minus 4x to the power of 4. Now, a different type of multiplication process. So when we see situations like this, we use what we call a rainbow method. So we spread the first number of the first bracket to the first number of the second bracket, second number of the second bracket. Then we spread the second number of the first bracket to the first number of the second bracket and the second number of the second bracket. So that will look like x times x is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 4x minus 12. If we simplify, that will look like x squared plus x minus 12. Let's try again. So in this situation, we have 2x. We spread it to x and 1. Negative 2, we spread to x and 1 again. And in that order, we will have 2x squared plus 2x minus 2x minus 2. We'll be left with 2x squared minus 2. Now, in these type of situations, when we see a square, what it really just means is that you're going to do this twice. So it will look like 3x minus 4 and 3x minus 4. Same process again. We spread the numbers to both brackets. So that will look like 9x squared minus 12x minus 12x again plus 16. Negative times negative is positive. So 9x squared minus 24x plus 16. Okay, last question. This is really not that much difference than the ones we were doing before. Spread the first number to all of the variables on the second bracket. Do it again. And the last number, do the same process. So what we'll be left with is x to the power 4 minus x to the power 3 plus 4x squared plus 2x to the power 3 minus 2x to the power 2 plus 8x minus 3x squared, negative times negative become positive, 3x minus 12. Now if we simplify the equation, so we group together all the 4's, do we have any more exponent 4? We don't. So x to the power 4. And we look for the one with to the power 3. We have 1, 2. We have 2 of them. Negative x to the power 3, positive 2x to the power 3. So we'll be left with positive 1x to the power 3. Same process again. We look for the one with square. 1, 2, and 3. Has 3 of them this time. So positive 4x squared minus 2x squared minus 3x squared. So that will leave us with negative 1x squared. Alright, lastly, x. We have 2 of them. So positive 8x plus 3x. 11x, and lastly, the number by itself minus 12.